In this lesson, we will see together 30 direct transitive verbs from the second group. So, of course, the question is, but what is a direct transitive verb? A verb is direct transitive, when it is accompanied by a direct object complement, what we call in French complément d'objet direct. In French, most verbs are of the direct transitive type. And because these verbs accept a direct object complement, complément d'objet direct, it means that they accept the transformation to the passive voice. So now take 1 minute to write these down, because if you are not sure about complément d'objet direct and passive voice, then I really invite you to have a look at my videos, because I explain really clearly and precisely how to build them and how to make them or how to identify them. So it means that these verbs can be used and conjugated in the active voice or in the passive voice. And it's really important, so you will have to make a list. This is my advice. Make a list of these verbs and try to make some sentences with these verbs in the active voice and also in the passive voice. Rafraîchir, rafraîchir. Raidir, raidir. Rajeunir, rajeunir. Rafraîchir, raidir, rajeunir. Ralentir, ralentir. Ramollir, ramollir. Ravir, ravir. Ralentir, ramollir, ravir. Rebâtir, rebâtir. Reblanchir, reblanchir. Reconvertir, reconvertir. Rebâtir, reblanchir, reconvertir. Redéfinir, redéfinir. Redémolir, redémolir. Réfléchir, réfléchir. Redéfinir, redémolir, réfléchir. Refleurir, refleurir. Refroidir, refroidir. Regarnir, regarnir. Refleurir, refroidir. Regarnir. Réjouir, réjouir. Remplir, remplir. Renchérir, renchérir, réjouir, remplir, renchérir. Répartir, répartir. Ressalir, ressalir. Ressaisir, ressaisir. Répartir, ressalir, ressaisir. Rétablir, rétablir. Rétrécir, rétrécir. Réunir, réunir. Rétablir, rétrécir, réunir. Réussir, réussir. Rôtir, rôtir. Rougir, rougir. Réussir, rôtir, rougir. Roussir, roussir. Rugir, rugir. Saisir, saisir. Roussir, rugir, saisir.